Parent-teacher conference in America. What to say in English. Real-life school conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how parents and teachers talk during a school meeting in the United States. This type of meeting is called a parent-teacher conference. You learn how to ask about your child's progress, understand teacher feedback, talk about homework and behavior, and speak naturally in a school environment. These are real English phrases parents use every day in America. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat out loud with confidence. Let's begin. Starting the meeting. Hi, thank you for coming in today. Of course, thanks for meeting with me. Please have a seat. How is my child doing in class? Overall, they're doing very well. That's wonderful to hear. They are very respectful and participative during lessons. I'm glad to hear that. They also work well independently. That's something we've been encouraging at home too. It definitely shows. Talking about school performance. One area we'd like to improve is reading comprehension. Okay, can you explain that a little more? Sure, your child reads very smoothly, but sometimes has trouble understanding deeper meanings in the text. I see. What can I do at home to help? One of the best things is reading together every night. Even just 20 minutes can make a big difference. We can definitely do that. You can also ask simple questions about the story afterward. That's a great idea, thank you. Talking about behavior and social skills. Academically, things are going very well. Socially, they've been a little shy during group activities. Really? They're usually very outgoing at home. That's actually pretty common. Some children take more time to feel comfortable in class. That makes sense. We've noticed they participate more in smaller groups. So we're continuing to encourage that. I appreciate you paying attention to that. Of course, they're a wonderful student. That means a lot to hear. Homework and classroom habits. Is there any homework they're missing? No, all assignments have been turned in on time. That's great, they're also very organized. Good, we've been trying to build good study habits at home. It's definitely helping. One thing I would recommend is encouraging a little more confidence when speaking in front of the class. Okay, we'll work on that together. Perfect. Ending the conference. Do you have any other questions for me? Not right now. I really appreciate your feedback. Of course, thank you for being so involved in your child's education. We're lucky to have such supportive parents. That means a lot. Thank you again for your time. You're very welcome. Have a great evening. You too. Fast shadowing practice. How is my child doing in class? They're doing well overall. That's great to hear. One area to improve is reading comprehension. What can I do at home to help? Try reading together every night. We'll definitely do that. They've been a little shy during group activities. They're usually outgoing at home. That's common. Give them time to adjust. Is there any homework they're missing? No, all assignments are turned in on time. Thank you for your feedback. Excellent job today. Now you know how parents and teachers naturally communicate in American schools using real, everyday English. These conversations are important because they help build confidence not only in English, but also in real-life communication. So keep practicing every single day. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and try to sound relaxed and natural. And remember, fluent English doesn't happen overnight. It happens one conversation at a time. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real American English conversations. Comment "School done" if you practiced today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Doctor visit English? Airport conversation? Job interview English? Apartment rental English? Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.